and the race is on. Kissable Toys from the outside, Yellow Soldier down on the inside, and moving up by the rail is Jumping Jonah. It's now Yellow Soldier, Kissable Toys, Jumping Jonah, and C racing in forward by about 5 lengths. Little Miss Hotshot is running fifth by the rail 6, Bondi Babe. Don Eduardo's Best Ampure ready to rumble. And inside the last 700, Yellow Soldier followed by Kissable Toys on the outside. Jumping Jonah in between runners, and rounding the far turn, Yellow Soldier, Kissable Toys, and Jumping Jonah, NC, Little Miss Hotshot, Ampure, and Don Eduardo's Best as they race the final corner. Yellow Soldier, Kissable Toys is on the outside, fighting it out for the lead. Kissable Toys, Yellow Soldier by the rail. Yellow Soldier, Kissable Toys, Little Miss Hotshot on the outside is NC, Don Eduardo's Best. It's now Little Miss Hotshot followed by NC, Kissable Toys, and finally Little Miss Hotshot. 9, NC, Don Eduardo's Best, Kissable Toys, close. Ready.